Yeah, what's up? Domino's worker here. If you watched my last video, which is in the description below, click on it if you didn't. You know I've been working there for about like 6 months, and I just put my 2 weeks in about like a month ago. And so I'm at another job. You're gonna get that video, another time. Well, leave in the comments if you have a different experience, if you work delivery, and also leave a like, subscribe while you're at it. It helps the channel and shit. Starting with the pros. This might not sound good to everyone, but I like driving. I like listening to podcasts. I like listening to music, all that good stuff. It makes the time really go by fast and really just kind of feels like less work. Domino's also has this app for GPS. You don't really have to click a lot. You just got to click the button. It takes you right to the address. And the tip, you just put it down, does the math for you. I like that because, you know what I mean? Who doesn't like simple? Organized and simple is great. In my first video, I do go over all the money I make, or, the wages, the tips, the mileage, the check. And I would say you can make money at Domino's. I would also say I probably made the least amount in my Domino's because, either I wasn't fast enough or I wasn't focused enough. I'm not sure what it was, but they would bounce off numbers. We would bounce off numbers off each other, and I'd be like, how'd you get that number? Like, I'm not near that number. But anyways, this one pretty much applies to where you work at. I personally liked my coworkers. I liked my managers, It was just a nice environment. I'm not going to say people there didn't bump heads, but I don't really be... Anywhere I work at, I'm chill at. Like, it's just work. This one is a weird pro, but it gives you time to think, you know what I mean? While you're on that drive, you don't always have to listen to music. You don't always have to listen to podcasts. You need some time to think throughout, like, life, you know what I mean? What's your next move, how you're going to make money, or maybe how you're going to, like, something about family. Maybe you're going to think about something for your friends or something like that. I don't know. I personally like time to think. Like, I like time to, like, organize my thoughts. And sometimes I do that while I'm driving for Domino's, or I used to when I worked there. The last pro I'm going to give you is the discount. Now, really a discount like 50-60% off depending on what you're getting, or even if they mess up the order, you get that order for free, obviously. Or if it's a prank call, we get some prank calls. Truth be told, really all I ate there was double cooked chicken because it was like $5, and with my stomach I really shouldn't be eating nothing there. But yeah, now on to the cons. Dun dun dun. I personally don't really like jobs where my weekly salary depends on how my week is going. I like to know how much money I'm going to have after bills. Maybe I'm not a hustler for real, but, that's just me. Aside from your salary being different every week, you also got to take into account you using your own car. If your car breaks down or for some reason you can't use it, you can't work. Unless they have a company car, but they can't always give you a company car because, the Domino's share the company cars. So there's going to be a lot of people that don't have their car and they might get it first. So what they probably will let you do is work inside. They let me work inside for $13 an hour, but I personally wasn't really into that. I don't really like working inside. That's just me though. Now, obviously you should put money away each week for times like this. But I just personally felt like I wasn't making enough money for that. My truck was in the shop, like in and out. Like it wasn't good. It didn't really make much sense for me to stay. So, I made a decision to leave. Now, the last con I'm going to give you is bad customers. I know I said for the most part they're polite because they are. But, there are obviously those outliers that are just very rude or just bad customers in general. I know I said rude, but rude is probably the best of the bad customers. The worst customers are the people who don't answer the door. If you're just standing out there for 10 minutes, maybe even 15, or you got to call the freaking Domino's to call them because they're not answering my calls, then that's just a huge waste of time. You could be going somewhere where they could be tipping you, or, you could just be on your way. It's just annoying. So yeah, you got to deal with that. Now, I think that's going to wrap it up for the video. I hope these pros and cons really helped you decide whether you want to try delivery or maybe even Domino's specifically. I told you I read every comment, so drop that below. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.